Watson Duke says Tobago has lost faith in Dr. Faith. During a press conference hosted by the Progressive Democratic Patriots, political leader Watson Duke discussed the state of health care on the island. He highlighted many unfortunate instances that occurred at the Scarborough General Hospital and the management of the Tobago Regional Health Authority by the Secretary of Health, Wellness and Social Protection, Dr. Faith B. Yisrael. Here's more.
PDP leader Watson Duke said he has seen a level of betrayal of trust in Tobago's healthcare system, which has left Tobagonians wondering if they would ever receive proper healthcare at the health facilities across the island. Duke cited cases of a woman who lost her newborn baby, who the doctors believed to have meningitis, and a 66-year-old woman, Claudine Mills, who visited the hospital for a routine checkup and ended up having a seizure and then died after receiving an injection.
And then the baby began to act up still. One time they placed a tube in the baby's mouth to administer health care, and she awoke and she saw the tube dislodged. At that moment, she began to inquire more as to what's happening. The baby died the other day. Then they brought her to casualty and they gave her an injection. Immediately, she had a seizure. And they spent the next 20 minutes trying to revive her. She died. This is poor patient care we are talking about. Someone has to be held accountable for this. Tobago cannot continue to be this beautiful island where everybody is just taking things cool. I am upset.
Duke said the healthcare system must be dependable and patients should be treated as top priority. He then spoke about the recent death of Nadia Shangi and her newborn baby.
It matters not whether she was critical or not. People go to the hospital when they are critical. And so telling me someone came in there critical is not excusable. The hospital is a place that you go to when the care at home is not working, when the bush medicine is not working.
The PDP leader stated that if the hospital had the expertise, Shangi would have lived. He pointed out that many deaths at the hospital are due to the poor quality management systems. He is advocating for consistency in the delivery of health care.
And we are saying the hospital, while they have good doctors and they have good nurses, the systems in place doesn't allow good doctors and good nurses to enhance the health care of their patient.
Duke is calling for Dr. Faith to be removed as health secretary.
I have reached a conclusion when I say to Dr. Faith this morning that based on an evaluation, you should have been removed from that division and placed elsewhere.
He assured the public that he would not allow the deaths of Shangi and her baby to be swept under the carpet so easily. Arianna Scipio, Tobago Updates Television News.